Everyone, I'm John, this is Just the Gearhead, and in this video we're going to finally get to the forward quarter panels on the Ranchero. I know in the last couple of videos we said maybe the next one, so this is the one we actually get to do it. It is pretty bloody hot out today. I think it's supposed to get up to the mid-30s, so I hope you guys can see okay from there. So this is the quarter panel, and as you can see, it's a little longer than I need, because even if I've lined that up there and there. So it does go into the door jamb. I'm not sure if I'm going to go all the way into the door jamb. I'll have to see when I start cutting out to see how bad this is. And it comes back further back into this panel. In shipping, this end got beat up, so I will trim off a little bit of this panel there for sure. I think this might be a tad long. I think it's supposed to sit more there. I think that's where the opening is supposed to be. So yeah, I got like an extra 2 inches here I don't think I'm going to be able to use. So yeah, I don't think I'll be tucking it into the door, because I don't think... Yeah, once the tire goes on, that'd be bad. So we're going to have to go probably around there. So first thing I'm going to do is cut this old panel out. And probably going to come down all the way down to this pinch weld down here. Go all the way down. Yeah, we'll get the grinder and start cutting. Once again, 1, 2, 3 different pieces and a whole bunch of Bondo. And a broken disc. Here's something to watch out for. I almost hacked into my wiring loom right there. I got the outer sheath, but didn't get any of the wires. So, next time make sure that's tucked up in there. Alright, after screwing around with it and trimming it and whatnot and getting it tacked in, realized I came to a problem. And now this problem is due to the fact that I am using Galaxy quarter panels, even though my supplier that I got these from says these will fit a Ranchero. The body lines don't quite line up. So first off, this body line up here, you'll see there's a wave in it, so I'm not really happy with the quality of that. The other one is, if you haven't noticed, is this body line does not match up with the door. And it drops down. It should come out fairly straight. So, I don't know if on a Galaxy these come down like that, or what have you. But, what I should have done was left the rocker and a little bit of this part here in, and then just use this arch here. Although, probably not come back here anyways. Anyways, I'm going to have to cut this off here, make that body line up somehow, and then probably build a filler piece down at the rocker. This is going to be fun. Cut the lower panel off, strung a tape line across to just this corner here. This panel that goes up to match the bottom, but just where that corner lands, because this corner should be level with that, and then across to there. So I'm going to take that piece and tack it in here. It looks like it doesn't overlap a ton, so I should be able to just blend the corners, or this little bevel on the wheel well here. Should be able to blend those together, not too bad. After some fiddling and fighting with it, the body line now looks pretty straight. So I'll probably tack that in for now. I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do about this corner and the roll of the for the rocker. All this is pretty much just tacked in for now. I ran the cutting wheel up there and pulled the lip of the wheel well in. I tried to maintain, can't see if you guys can tell, there it is, that curve of the body line there. I tried to maintain that, but yeah, I gave it a notch through here and then squished it in. But yeah, not sure what I'll do next. Alright, so I ran a few more tacks in it. This side here along the door is going to get a lap over, and I might have to lap this over just because I can't get in behind there to get the pieces out if I do the cut now. So we'll see what I do with that. But everything's kind of tacked in place. This line looks pretty good now. I still have to make the part that rolls under, but it's pretty hot out here today, and I've been fighting with this most of the day already, so I'm going to call it for today. See if this might be the end of the video, I don't know, but we'll see. I might come back out tomorrow and add in some more to this video, maybe try to get this side done on this video. Alright, so it's been a couple of days since I filmed that last little clip. At some point filming this episode, I got like a face full of crap. If I can find the footage, I'll put it here. Yeah, so I got a blast of dirt and rust and whatever else from when I was grinding. Got in, I was wearing my mask, I was wearing my safety glasses, but it managed to get in behind my safety glasses and into my eye. I did flush it, and I didn't think much of it and kept working, but it still felt like there might be something in there. So later that day, I went to the emergency room, and they cleaned out my eye. They even took the little Dremel tool and rubbed it on my eye a couple of times, and they thought they had gotten it all. And 12 hours later, I'm back at the emergency room because I know there's still more in there because it's still driving me nuts. So once again, they clean it up, Dremel it again, and give me some eye drops and whatnot, and send me on my way. So this is now, that was a couple of days ago, so hence why I'm wearing the sunglasses. Even with just the lights in here, it's a little too bright for that eye. I'll take them off, and I don't know if you guys can actually see the difference, but it's actually better today than it was a couple of days ago, but it's still kind of all, irritated and saggy and hurts with the light. So anyways, so this will be it for this video. Even though I was wearing all my safety gear, I probably should have had a mask, like an actual visor, I guess, or I might need to get some safety glasses that suck right to your face type of thing. Because this is actually the second time this has happened to me. This happened pretty much almost exactly a year ago. So, but anyways, so that'll be it for this episode of Just the Gearhead. Next video might be a little late because I don't know when I'll get back to working on the car. I have to wait for the eye to heal up. Anyways, so yeah, please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys want t-shirts or other merchandise, please check out the link to my Redbubble page in the description. For everybody who has liked, commented, subscribed, and bought merchandise in the past, I thank you very much, and we will see you next time.